stay zen. In the second part of the series, we're going to look at my favorite AI imaging platform, the NightCafé Studio. On September 9th, the site received an incredible upgrade, so watch this video until the end to know the best news there. NightCafé Studio is a site that offers many resources for creating images, but since you already know that I hate long videos, let's cut to the chase. Click on the link in the description, log in with Google, and you can already make amazing images like this one, or this one, or much more. Choose Stable Diffusion, which is the best algorithm at the moment. Enter your text and tweak the parameters for fine-tuning, but I will make a video about that later. And click Create. NightCafé Studio has paid plans, but the best part is that you get 5 credits daily to use however you want for free. Also, as you develop in the community, you will receive more free credits for your achievements. With moderate usage, you can create fantastic images without breaking the bank, or subscribe to one of their plans and create unlimitedly. Now the bigger upgrade of day 9. NightCafé Studio now offers a feature previously only offered by day 2, which is the use of an image as a basis for its creation and the use of masks to create only parts of the image as I show in this example. What are you ready for? Create your account now, explore your new tool for expressing yourself artistically, and subscribe to the channel for more options on how to create art with the help of artificial intelligence. That's it, folks. I hope you create amazing images, see the movies I made with AI, and see you soon here on the channel in the next video. Stay zen.